With veneers, it is possible to correct small defects in your teeth. In this treatment, at first, a small amount of enamel is removed from your teeth. Then, the surface area is prepared slightly. After that, your dentist etch the surface of your teeth with an acid etching gel for a few seconds, and subsequently washed with water. Now, porcelain veneers, that is look like thin shells of natural tooth, are fitted permanently, using a special type of cement. Finally, a special light beam is applied, which activates chemicals in the cement, causing it to harden, or cure, very quickly. As a result, your teeth are restored to its original form, and your smile become more beautiful and glorified.